part of the British Pharmacological Society. So we write and host the prescribing safety assessment that assesses prescribing competency for graduating doctors and foundation year medics in the UK, and also international medical graduates when they come into the UK. We have, in the UK system, we separate prescribing education assessment away from the main licensing exam. So we think that separating education for doctors into separate modules is a really good way of looking at it, so that each individual module is taught and then a separate assessment is done for each individual area that students may work in. So I really agree with the discussion that was had today around separating the work into those different areas so that doctors can focus on a particular area, show mastery in that particular area that they're going to work in, and then in the future they'll be able to apply that in their medical careers going forward.